Wellmy Heart Rate Monitor App Review. Keeping track of your heart should be easy. The Wellmy Heart Rate Monitor app promises fast, simple heart readings using your phone's camera. But is it accurate enough to rely on? Let's take a closer look. When you open Wellmy, you're greeted with a clean and friendly layout. All you do is tap the heart icon, then place your finger over the camera lens. The app detects blood flow changes and converts that into your BPM beats per minute. Within seconds, you get your result. The surprising truth is that most people only think about their heart rate when they're exercising. But Wellmy encourages everyday awareness. You can measure after walking, after coffee, or during stress. Over time, the app creates a log so you can spot unusual spikes or improvements in fitness. Another interesting feature is wellness tracking. The app asks how you feel when recording your BPM. Are you calm, excited, tired? This helps you understand not just the number, but what influences it. It's a great habit for people who want to improve their health step by step. However, like any camera-based heart monitor, lighting and positioning matter. You need to hold your phone steady and avoid bright sunlight. It's not a replacement for medical equipment, and if you have heart concerns, you should still talk to a professional. What stands out most is how approachable the app feels. No complicated charts, no fitness jargon, just practical, everyday heart awareness. For anyone who wants to feel more connected to their health without gadgets or subscriptions, Wellmy can be a great tool. If you want to build a stronger relationship with your own heart and understand how your lifestyle affects it, give Wellmy a try. A healthier life starts with paying attention, and this app helps you do exactly that.